Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HammerBlade 3 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable the hotspot on this device. To share the Wi-Fi, you just need to open the control panel and find here hotspot. If you don't have the hotspot feature here, so click edit button. Find the hotspot on the downer part of your screen, click and hold on it, drag it to the upper part, go back and here you will see the hotspot. Then just click on it to enable. If you want to set up it, so you need to click and hold on it. Here you will see Wi-Fi hotspot, click on it. Here you can change the hotspot name, you can change the security type, for example. VPA2 it's with password and none it's without password. Hotspot password, so here you can set up your hotspot password, for example 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, click OK. And here you can change the personal hotspot band. So if you will use 2.4 band, so your Wi-Fi will work through the wall on larger distances, but if you will use 5 GHz, so your Wi-Fi will be faster and more stable, and you will be able to connect more devices to your Wi-Fi. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.